Hey, good. How are you?
Good, good.
Are you the one I was?
My brother.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So how long's it?
It's been out for about 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Did he tell you everything we did to it?
I'm sorry?
Did he tell you everything we did? Or?
No, I can kind of tell that somebody tried to do something. Looks like he tried to replace the door switch.
Yeah.
That didn't work.
No, then we replaced that thing. This thing here.
Oh, you replaced the valve?
Yeah.
That didn't work?
This one, no. Well, first it didn't light up at all. And then we changed that reset button, and then we got it to light up and to stay on. So then he went and got that one, and that one we played 7 times, but we couldn't get it past that.
Oh, okay.
We just gave up.
Oh, okay. All right. I think I see what's going on. So let's try this then. And the gas is on? Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, the gas is on.
Yeah.
Sounds like you were pretty close to fixing it, maybe.
Yeah. And then you got late.
Everybody gives up right at the end.
Yeah. The next thing we were going to do was to change that thermal pipe or whatever it is.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, there's not much left after that.
Yeah.
It's got to be one of those 3 components. Yeah. So you've been without hot water for 5 days?
Yeah.
That's a long time.
I know.
In summertime.
I'll let you do your thing.
Oh, cool.
I get out of the way.
Yeah, no worries. Alright, so we got really low thermopile voltage. So we're going to have to change the thermopile. And I don't even see the valve coming up at all. So it's kind of tough. I got the sun. I'm always complaining about light, right? Well, I got the sun washing this whole area over, so it's hard to see the light. I'm not seeing it. So looks like we got a bunch of work to do. So we'll do the ohm test on the valve. We got 11, and we got 11, so that looks good. So Looks like maybe the circuit board is bad. Potentially. We're just gonna go with our circuit board. The worst time of the day to be here is I have the sun 100% on me. Let's try the voltage on here. I think this little voltage tester is starting to go bad. To be honest with you. Alright, so keep plugging away at this. So I think I'm going to replace this burner assembly, but I'm also going to put a different thermopile in there. I'll beat the shit. This water heater is really on its last leg. To be honest with you, just probably just rainwater did all that, but this thing's really on its last legs there. Okay, so somebody damaged the thermopile. They cut it all up, and they cut all the wires. Alright. 10,000 years later, that's usually why I don't film this. So replace the thermopile. Real pain in the ass.
I'll be right here.
Oh yeah, I had to rebuild the It's a burner assembly, so.
Oh, yeah.
Should test it outside the water heater. It's too late now. Somebody put Teflon tape. You see that? Look at that. See what I'm dealing with here? Like people just they put Teflon tape and pipe dope on everything. Stop. Stop it. It's so unnecessary. Drives me crazy. Alright, this is gonna be a fucking straight up nightmare. There we go. This is the only way to do this properly. Yeah, I can see it. The only way to really do it is upside down. I hope this works, because we'll have to tear into this motherfucker. There's so many things that can go wrong here. There's so many things. We'll remain. There we go. Heard it on that last one. Come on, baby. There we go. We got the click. Good here. So we ended up replacing the circuit board. We tested the valve and we put a replacement thermopile in, and we just basically changed the burner assembly. Alright, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we will see you on the next one.